How to fix Instagram quiz sticker not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. At the bottom, click on plus sign. If it's not working, click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Then select the image you want to add. Then at the top, click on stickers. After you click on stickers icon at the top, in here you'll find quiz option. If you don't find it, click on search bar at the top and search for quiz. Then you'll find poll. Click on poll. After that, you can add your question in here, ask a question, then add options at the bottom and press on done at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can drag it wherever you want on your screen and press on add to your story at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to fix Instagram quiz sticker not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.